There we go. Absolute scenes, unlimited. All you can eat. Let's go. There we go. What the fuck does that mean? So weird. What does that mean? So weird. These are so sick. I mean, I hate United, I hate Arsenal, but look how sick that is. Even that sauce. But then my team, it's just, that one's so crap. Look how cool those ones are. Here he is, the man, the myth. So girls have just gone shopping, so I'm gonna have a little nice relaxation on my own in the room. And then we're gonna get a free transport down to Brighton Beach, go see the huts, take a few photos, have a little look around the town, go to St Kilda, which I didn't properly do last time I was here, which is like 10 years ago still. Gonna go down to the beach there and to the pier for evening, see the sunset hopefully, unless it's raining, and the cute little penguins, and then to the Crown because we're going to watch the fire show and all the Christmas lights down the waterfront, which would be quite nice. But now, if this works, welcome to the messy pad. This is all the girls' stuff. All the girls' stuff. This is mine. Nice and tidy. Fucking mental. Here's I wouldn't really say it's a perfect view, but oh shit, the bed. That's where we're at. And then we've got the pool and hot tub and stuff upstairs, which is quite nice. Not hot tub. Sauna. Gang gang. Alright, relaxation time. Brighton Beach. Brighton Beach. So our last day, come to Brighton Beach. Just gonna go check out the cool little huts that they have, and then go down to St Kilda, which would be quite nice. When I was here 10 years ago, I didn't come this far. I went to St Kilda, but I only went there on a night out, so I don't actually remember anything. But we're hoping there's a nice sunset today, because it was supposed to rain, but looks pretty nice now. Hopefully we can see some of those cute little penguins. Be pretty cute. And then gonna go see some light show later and the fire at the Crown. That's something I remember from before. Yeah. That's all Melbourne there. What, sorry?
There's multiple houses. Brighton Beach.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's loads of, oh fuck off, the stupid fly. It fucking does my head in. Can't take him anywhere without wanting fucking ice cream. Women, eh? It's cute. Wonder what... Does anyone remember those lagers and limes when you were a kid in England? That was my go-to. How was it? Nice. Was it good? Very good. So there's all the little Brighton houses that we're gonna go see. Should be pretty cute. But flies are a nightmare. They give me PTSD from when I was here before. So I had to do my farm work, and we was doing watermelons, like lifting them up, rugby tackling them, or rugby throwing them to each other and putting them into the back of a tractor. And fucking, it was like 40-degree heat, and the amount of flies was unbearable. So just that little ringing noise that they do in your ear gives me PTSD from doing it back then. Even if there's just one, just drives me absolutely mental. I'd rather be fucking bitten by a snake than have to deal with these. Actually pretty nice. I actually hate going to the beach. I hate sand. It's well annoying. It just goes everywhere. But at least it gives you something to explore and look at. Pretty cool. Don't want to ruin these, do you? Show them your feet.
Ruin them.
Little kitty. Look at her vlogging. How's the vlog going, Luce? How's your vlog going? St Kilda, let's go. Let's go find some penguins. Let's go find some penguins. Oh, it's lively down here. Pumping. Pumping. Gang. Lovely. St Kilda. It's quite a nice little place, to be fair. Come to Australia, they said. It'll be warm, they said. It's fucking Baltic by the sea in Melbourne. Absolutely Baltic. This might be the only penguin we see because the weather is terrible. It's a windy one, but there's a lot of people looking for these penguins. The sun's just gone down, apparently this is now, so just gonna go have a little browse, see if I can find any of these cuties. Nice view of the city as well. All back there. Really nice. Melbourne is quite nice. It was a shame when I was here last time because I was really poor, but I still made it work. As soon as I left and I had a proper job, like money just flew in. Saved up loads when I was in Early Beach, loads when I was in Cairns. It just helped me with the rest of my travels. And then obviously Canada I did really well as well. And now that I'm back here, I've done really well. Just saving as much as I can for future goals. Trying to get that passive online income. Quite annoying, they recently made it, well they've still made it free, but you have to get tickets. So like these are all the people waiting to go in. But the tickets are booked until March, which is absolutely mental because you cannot guarantee that somebody's actually going to be here in February to go. Don't know how they've done that. So they've blocked it off halfway, so all of the actual pier where they're going to be is like all past there. There's only one little bit here that they might come to, and I don't think they will. It's actually quite a shame. Like, it's still free regardless if they let people go in or not. I don't really understand why. Oh well. I'll have a little look, but I don't think I'm going to see any. It's a shame. Lucy and Becky are waiting over there on that thing. They're going on there. So I'll go and meet them there. There they are. Just went on the Ferris wheel. Having a little bit of fun. While I'm trying to find some penguins. Fucking annoying. I really would like to see some penguins. So we came back for the Christmas lights, but it's absolutely rammed. So we're not going to stay too long. Kind of want to see the flames up on the casino as well, but this will do for now. Then we're going to head back home, put something on, gotta get up at 5 AM to fly home. Yeah, when I was here 10 years ago, I used to come and see this like very often, almost every night, which is pretty cool. It's a nice way to say goodbye to Melbourne. So after this, I'm gonna have to go back, get up at 4, 5 AM so I can go get my flight back to Sydney. But nice way to say bye. There we go. Alright, that's the flame show done. Goodbye Melbourne. Go get some sleep. Fly back to Sydney tomorrow morning. Gang.